Hello everybody, welcome back. Just make a real quick video. There's nothing really much more to say that I haven't already said. We're looking at Bitcoin here, 94,300, sitting at 21 exponential. So if we do pull back a little further than this, losing these Bollinger Band areas, I'd say 50 exponential and the horizontal, which is 92,500. It's the most appropriate area to see the reversal from. The big bounce, basically, the big bounce. This is just a 4-hourly chart, which still looks good with the golden cross, which we uncovered a week ago and sort of recognised as an opportunity. And now the Bollinger Bands are pinching again, relatively tight, so a volatile move is quite likely. Hopefully, the move will take it to the up. So a little bit of a pullback, either here where we are already, or a little bit further. If we do get worse, we are talking, breaking the $88,000 zone to move into an actual golden cross again. I don't think that's going to happen, but yeah, we could do it. Now, what would allow for that? Same things we were saying yesterday, really. There's your S&P, the US 500, the pre-market. We've opened up already. We're up a little tiny piece, and we've got a resistance 1, 2, and 3. Just as we've been saying for a little while now. Just be careful as you approach each one of these areas, because that could result in the opposite of a V-shaped recovery, coming down below 5,000 to the upper 4,000 areas. So, same thing as yesterday. What else we got? XRP was having a nice little run. Let's have a quick look at that, and then we'll probably just leave it there, because honestly, I don't really see the point in taking up loads of time. It's not like it's going to benefit you or me, just saying the same thing as I've been saying. It's just one of those things. There's really no need for me to say anything other than what is going on, which is very similar to yesterday. So, look, beautiful golden cross retest, bang, V-shaped recovery up to where it came from, and then a little higher. So, nice little move on XRP there. Support now is $2.25. This is your 4-hourly, that's your nice support. I think that should be enough to hold it there. Obviously, we never got a death cross on the daily here. We've broken out. We are looking to trend all the way up to $2.50, which is where the big resistance is. Now, we obviously have the breakout of momentum. The price action's yet to break out. It's all about getting above 250 with breakout of momentum and money flow, and we've not got that yet. And then you'll see a tearing move, a huge ripping move. Alright, finally we'll just have a think about Ethereum. What's going on here? So we're building momentum, golden cross and simples, not yet on exponentials. Probably see this tomorrow if we can just hold this price or higher. Then you'd look for the retest, and then you'd look for the V-shape, and then you'd look for the continuation. So it's starting to shape up a little bit better than it has been looking for a long time now. So, but again, it's not out of the woods yet. It's certainly not out of the woods. With the bull div on the weekly, that normally spots the bottom. We should be thinking about, this year reversing this now and seeing a big move. It's a very unpopular thing to say, but I think the bottom's in, and I think the bottom wasn't even that far away from where we are right now. So, bold move. The only thing that's going to ruin this is the S&P. So remember that. When this chart looks okay, giving bottom end signals. That chart looks okay, good, giving bottom signals, and they all look like they're going to make higher highs. If they don't make higher highs because of the S&P, it's not through any fault of their own. They're just dragged down through association with a very large market. That's all. You were wrong. All your signals and setups were wrong. They're not my signals and setups, it's Ethereum. Yeah, but you read them. That's because they were present on the chart. Yeah, but they were wrong, weren't they? Well, the signals are okay, the signals were fine, but remember, it's just a very small grain of sand on a beach of financial markets. What does that mean? It means that if the sea comes in, if the tide comes in, it'll take the sand away. Oh, I don't understand. Oh. Anyway, I'll leave it there. I'm sure you understand what I'm talking about. Right, thanks for watching. I hope you have a nice day. Take it easy.